make a couple classic cocktails for you that you can enjoy during this holiday season. And the first one we're gonna do is a classic Manhattan. It is the quintessential bourbon up cocktail. And it is, for this particular whiskey, we thought it'd be great because that nice high rye is gonna give it a little bit of a spicier note. So it won't be quite as soft as your average Manhattan. Just beautiful. So the great thing about making a Manhattan at home, it's pretty simple. There's really three things in a garnish. There's the bourbon, there's the sweet vermouth, and bitters. Those are the components in a Manhattan. Really easy to remember also as far as the measurements. 2-1-2. 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, 2 dashes of bitters. So as you can see, this is a stirred cocktail. So we're gonna get it nice and cold and get it all nice and mixed.
And then yeah, we use a nice vermouth, nothing too fancy, but something that's gonna work well. And Angostura out of Trinidad, nice to add some nice baking spices. Really complement both the bourbon and the rye.
Absolutely.
Really nice. And then just an easy pour. Yeah, you won't have any.
Look at that. Yeah. I'm thirsty. I am very thirsty. And this is my favorite part.
The final compliment, rather than one of those cherries that's made for Shirley Temples or a kid's drink, buying a nice Luxardo cherry. The Luxardo family makes a lot of products in Italy, anything from amarettos to vermouths to sambucas, and their cherries are world famous as a nice compliment to the finest Manhattans. So there you are.